Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew and Nicole. Today we're going to show you something cool. If you want to use your smartphone as a webcam for your computer, just in case you don't have a laptop, and usually computers do not have a webcam built in, you have to buy separately. And because of the pandemic, every webcam is in demand and it's hard to come by. So you can use actually your existing phone as a camera for your desktop computer. Okay? And apart from that, this app is so good, and it can also do multi-camera setup. Take a look at this one. See? I got 4. Now, if you're interested to know how to do that, just stay tuned and watch the whole video. Alright, so first things first, I want you to go to this website, or in the Google Play Store, the eReune webcam. You have to download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. You also have to go to the webcam server website, okay, of eReune. Okay, I'll show it to you later. And you have to install everything in your phone, your computer, okay? And you have to make sure you are connected in one same Wi-Fi network, okay? Or one same LAN network. All right, so let's go to our browser, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the website of eReune. You have to download whichever platform that you have. It's either Windows, Mac, or Ubuntu Linux. And of course, you go to the Google Play Store, download this app, and search it from your iPad or iPhone, the eReune webcam. Download everything. It's all free. Okay, so it's very straightforward. So all you have to do is to install. Okay, let me just show you the installation file. There you go. So this is the installation file. Let me just, okay, and there. Okay, the file that you're looking for when you download it is this one, the Win Webcam 2.56. Okay, when you double click it, a prompt would come out, and if I will not do it now because I already installed it, and if I did that, everything will be disabled, so I will not do that right now. So make sure you install that one, and you choose how many cameras that you have. 1, 2, 3, or 4. It can go up to 4 cameras. Okay, once you're able to install that, a window like this will pop up and would be asking you to connect your phone. It's very straightforward. It's easy. You can read the instructions. You can set up to 4 cameras. Okay, up to 4 cameras. Everything will be there. You can also choose the size. Okay, you can choose the size here. It can go, depending on your phone, it's from 1920 by 1080. Sometimes you can go lower. So now some legacy apps cannot receive high resolution, so you can turn down the resolution. All right. So once you have that, and make sure to run the app from your phone, okay, wherever it is. Okay. So as you can see here, I am already connected to 4 devices. So I have a iPad Pro, which is this one. Hi. We have the iPhone, which is this one in the bottom. We have camera 3, which is the Xiaomi old Android phone, which is this one. And finally, this one, the 4th phone, the one that you're looking at right now. Okay? Okay, there you have it. So in OBS, you can actually include that as your device. So take, for example, this one. Let me just turn off the Chrome. Okay, you can add camera, video capture device. So you can choose video capture device, say example this one, and you can choose which webcam that you are going to use. Okay, very easy. I will not do it. Okay, so again, if you want to have multi-camera setup like this one, let me just fix this one. Okay, there you go. If you want to have a multicam setup like this one, you can do so and be able to do multi-angles if you want to. Alright, thank you very much for watching. It's a very simple video, and I'll put all the links down below, all the websites that you need to download, and also the instructions. And I hope you find this helpful. If you're doing Zoom meetings, Microsoft Teams, or video calls or chats over the over the internet, this is a very useful tool, and I hope you're able to learn and find something useful. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for the support, and have a good day. Bye-bye.